check out this super massive tractor tire. This is a really cool place where you can take scenic photos of all these cool sculptures they have around here. This is just really cool. Today we're going to check out the sculpture park here in Sunset Hills. This is a huge eye. In comparison to me, I'm 5 foot. Alright, let's go.
If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.
Here's an inside view of the big, huge sculpture. Look how massive this is. You got the other ones over here. These things are huge. This is really cool little park they have. Here's a big view of it. That's pretty cool. Another cool sculpture they have here. Here. He's pretty cool. Go stand next to him so we can see how tall he is. Got my friend, he's 6 foot. And that's how massive this deer is. Walking to see some more. We got this one right here. It's pretty cool. Another really cool thing they have at the sculpture park. Making my way up to the top. I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see. It's like up on top of this light pole. That is pretty cool. It's a windmill. And then over here, they have another sculpture. That is pretty cool. I love that it's all like rusted out. That's pretty cool. Get a closer angle of it. I don't normally read what they are and who made them, but I just like looking at them. I'm more of a visual person. I like to see it instead of reading all the facts. Some people like to read about who made it and so forth, but I'd rather just walk around and look at it and see the beauty of it. Ball wall. Here, guys, I'm showing you actual like, description of one of the art exhibits. I think you can climb on them, can't you? It's a ball wall they have back here. Okay, this is kind of different. The ball wall. Here it is. A bunch of balls. Alrighty, that was pretty cool. And they go all the way back. It says this looks like a balloon animal, but I literally think this is like some kind of dog. What's your guys' thoughts? Is this a balloon animal or is this a dog? Leave your comments below.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New
really
shoes,
cool
new tracks,
pavilion
like
you see
who's
right
that?
here.
I'm new, come back better
So
than
cool.
last year.
And I was right, guys. This tree is just spray painted. I don't even think it's a real tree, but they literally, it's just spray paint. A spray painted tree. Art. Make anything out of art. Hey guys, look. I am in the smiley face, and this has got like an echo to it. Do you not hear that? That is crazy. Get over leaving the park this hour, and look how beautiful it is out here. Absolutely gorgeous. Walking back to the car now, but yeah, this is a cool little park to walk through, check out. Definitely recommend it if you're in the Sunset Hills area. Public restrooms all over the park. It's pretty cool. A lot of walking. So really encouraged to bring a water bottle for sure. I missed this in the beginning, but here's a huge mixer they have right as you come into the parking lot. I literally thought it was a bowling pin, but my friend said it wasn't a bowling pin. That's how much I know. And here we have these. You can walk up those steps and... Alright, thanks for watching another one. Alright guys, my friend said it was a concrete mixer, as you see on the inside here. Walking around this bad boy. I don't know, I guess that's art. As I said, the park's 105 acres. They made a little designated area where you can go and take a rest on these resting rocks. They're probably wet. Hopefully they're not wet. I get to sit down. You can chill and just take a little rest. This is me resting. Anyhow, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to smash the thumbs up. I post new videos on Thursdays, and y'all have a great day. Peace.